Are you sure you didn't just do it upside down?
No, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I'll review that. So for this, I did not tighten down all the way this PVC, so we can move it and adjust it. Did you bump this up?
And bump this up.
Like, I don't know, like hit the bottom of it, see if it'll slide.
This?
Yeah.
You're keeping us company.
We've got our wire hooked up to our meter base, and then from the meter base, I've got it hooked up to our power shutoff switch, all except for this last one, which I'm about to put in. Some anti-corrosion glue.
He's getting to him. Okay, you did a great job. This looks really professional.
Thanks. Is it because there's wires?
Mm-hmm. This is going round the here.
Taking our 20-foot power pole in the back of this truck that's only got a 10-foot bed. Are you ready?
Just gently. It needs to angle a tiny bit. Like it's not quite.
Back the truck up.
While they're on it?
Gently, slowly, yeah.
Okay, Mom, come again. More.
I must lose it one way or the other.
You are?
Yeah, I feel like it's getting close to being balanced.
One way or the other.
More.
Ooh, y'all making me nervous. Hold on, Mom. Okay.
There it is.
It's in the ground.
All right, there you go, facing the pole. Now, put dirt in there.